Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Retell AI. In order to do so, here we are at retellai.com. And what is Retell all about? Well, you can supercharge your call operations with voice AI agents. Discover the new way to build, test, deploy, and monitor production-ready AI voice agents at scale. And you could try it for free, or you can contact sales for more information. Try our live demo. So you can receive a live call from one of our agents. You can enter in your phone number, your name, your email address here to get a call. Receptionist, appointment setter, lead qualification, survey, customer service, debt collection, Retell AI does it all. How it works: build, test, deploy, and monitor. Powerful AI voice agent creation features, auto-sync knowledge-based powerful call transfer feature, easy appointment booking, navigate IVR. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So we have the pay-as-you-go, $0 to start, self-serve, start instantly, and you can sign up for free. Then from there is the enterprise plan, and you can contact sales for more information on that. So if you're interested in Retell AI, head over to retellai.com in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra AI. It is a fantastic business strategy tool. Check out our YouTube playlist to show you how Sintra can help you and your business become a success. Also, check out Cider. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're interested in an online bank, you can click on the referral link and get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.